welcome back to my channel. I'm April, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome. Today's video is going to be about this simple beat that you see here today. I am really pleased with how my look turned out. I was like, what am I going to do today? I didn't know what I was going to do as far as a makeup look today. I have somewhere to be, some people to see, so I didn't need to take much time on the look. So today's look was actually inspired by MakeupShayla. I was on her Instagram yesterday scrolling, and I scrolled across her picture and I was like, dang, her makeup is so flawless. It's simple and it's something that I know I can do. She had a nice beat with a lip liner and a lip gloss. Can't beat that. So I was like, let me try to recreate her look today. So that is what I did. So today's video again is inspired by MakeupShayla, and I am really pleased with how my look turned out. So before we get started, be sure to subscribe to the Glamily so you can know when I post and upload, and also follow me on Instagram at AestheticallyApril. So if you want to know how we got this look today, stay tuned and let's get right into this video. I have my eyebrows done, face primed. Now I'm getting ready to start with foundation, and again for foundation today I'm using my MAC in the A51 in my Match Master foundation. I think I said this before, but I'm trying to hurry up and use up this MAC foundation. I've had this foundation for so long, and I'm just trying to hurry up, use it all up, so I can turn it in and get a free lippy. So I'm going to put that in and use my NYX makeup brush to pat that in. I think I need to touch up my brow here. It's looking a little ashy. Now for concealer, I'm using my Maybelline A31 concealer for highlight. And this is in the color medium. So I do my under eye, forehead, upper lip, chin. So now I'm going to use my damp beauty blender. For contour, I'm going to be using my NARS foundation stick in the color dark. Next, I'm going to go in over my highlight with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Then next, I'm going to follow up for my contour with my Sacha Buttercup banana powder. Next, I'm going to go in with my MAC Studio Fix And I'm going to brush this off while I'm applying this, just to give my face a more smooth, seamless finish. Now next I'll be going in with my bronzing powder just to go over where I contoured. We're not going to do anything with the eyes today because I want to do just something quick, because I do have somewhere to go today and I'm kind of short on time. Well, I have something to do, people to see, and I'm really short on time. So now we are ready to blush, and I do need to get some more blushes. So for today, I'm going to be using my MAC blush in the color Peaches. And for highlight today, we are going to be using my Dual Finish Highlighter by Lancome in the color Radiant Rose Gold. So I have my highlight done. For lips today, I am going to keep it real simple, and we're going to just do a liner and a gloss. Make sure I get everything highlight. Ooh, gotta spray. Now it's time to spray my face with my MAC Studio Fix. So now my face is dry. I'm gonna wipe my lips off. Shouldn't do that. Let me get this makeup wipe, because every time I try to use something else, it just does not work. And these makeup wipes are like the bomb. My line sister told me about these. They are Equate. You get a huge pack of these from Walmart. Love them. They smell so good, and they come in different flavors. I mean, they come in different scents. So to line my lips today, I'll be using the ColourPop Lippy pencil in the color, what is this? BFF3. And actually today's look was inspired by MakeupShayla. I saw her post yesterday and it was so pretty and simple. I've lined my lips, so now I'm just going to put on a gloss. For today I'm going to be using my MAC lip gloss in Dreamy. And it's kind of like a rose gold. Then I'm going to go over it with some clear lip gloss in the MAC Luster Glass in the Luster White. I'm going to use my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So 5 years later, I finally got my lashes on. Like, I don't understand why it still takes me a long time to put the lashes on, but I did it. So now I just got to go in and apply my bottom lash mascara. So here is the finished look. I'm really pleased with how it turned out now, especially since I've taken my hair down. So I am really looking cute, you all. Like, this is about to be my new go-to look. A nice, simple, plain beat with a liner and a gloss. And especially for the spring and the summer, it didn't take much time at all. Usually I'm always taking hours on my makeup, but this did not take long at all, so I can definitely get with that. So that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to let me know what some of your bronzers and blushes are down below, because I really would like to look and see what you all like so I can try something else, because again, I'm on the pan for my bronzer and I only have like 3 blushes, so I need to invest in some more of those. So let me know some of your favorites, and also before you go, be sure to subscribe to the Glamorly, okay, so you can always know when I post and upload. Also, please be sure to follow me on Instagram at AestheticallyApril, where you can see more of what I post there and see what I'm doing and talking about. So yes, please just subscribe to the Glamorly all around. So until next time, peace and blessings. Bye.